I remember it as if it were yesterday. The Mid-Autumn Festival, a cherished cultural event in my hometown. The air buzzed with anticipation, and the streets came alive with lanterns of all shapes and sizes. Families gathered, their smiles reflecting the glow of paper lanterns. My grandmother, her eyes crinkling at the corners, would prepare mooncakes, those golden pastries filled with sweet lotus paste. She'd whisper ancient legends as she molded each one, passing down stories of love, sacrifice, and celestial reunions. As dusk settled, we ventured to the riverside park. There, a sea of lanterns bobbed on the water, their reflections shimmering like wishes. I held my own lantern, a delicate creation adorned with painted flowers. I made a silent wish, hoping it would reach the moon. The moon itself was a luminous pearl, casting its silver glow upon us. Families sat on woven mats, sharing laughter and moonlit feasts. Children twirled sparklers, their giggles echoing through the night. I watched, feeling a sense of belonging, a thread connecting me to generations past. And then came the lantern parade. Dragons danced, their scales glinting under lantern light. Lions leaped, symbolizing courage and prosperity. I clapped along, caught up in the rhythm of drums and cymbals. Elders whispered blessings, their voices carrying across the crowd. But the highlight was the sky lanterns. I held mine, a fragile vessel of hope. As the countdown began, I closed my eyes, whispered my heart's desire, and released it. Up it soared, joining hundreds of others, a constellation of dreams ascending toward the heavens. I stood there, tears blurring my vision, feeling the weight of tradition and the promise of unity. The lanterns danced, their flames flickering like memories. And in that moment, under the moon's benevolent gaze, I understood. Celebrations aren't just about festivities. They're about connecting our souls to something greater.